Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start a new lesson that is my beginnings. Dear students, we know that we are going to play so many games. So I think you know very well which are the games you are very interested. As you like, that so many plays you are like to play. Name any place what you are going to play in the playground. Yes, football, volleyball, kho-kho, kabaddi, and also that group games like cricket also very important game you are going to play in the ground. My dear students, today I think you know very well about the cricket playing. You know that cricket playing is very important game. The cricket playing is very important game in the national level and also international level. You know that people, those who are playing cricket, so the team is very important, captain is very important, and how we are going to play the cricket. Here, in my beginnings, the cricket is a very important game that we are going to know in this lesson, my beginnings. Here, Kapil Dev. Have you know the name of Kapil Dev? Yes, you know the name of Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev, once upon a time, he was a great cricket player. So do you know how that cricket player, he became a great name in the field of cricket field. So now we are going to know how Kapil Dev, he became a great player in this cricket player. Let us know how he expressed all his feelings, how he became a great cricket player, and how he was a struggle in this cricket team. So like that, he want to explain all the feelings about these my beginnings in this lesson. In this lesson, my beginnings. So let us, we are going to know, we are look at the textbook. I want to read now. Look at the textbook. Now I am going to read the lesson. So, my beginnings, written by Kapil Dev. Looking back at my life, I have come to the conclusion that our beginnings never come, never know our ends. For me, it all started in Chandigarh, a small town nestling in the foothills of the Himalayas. I was born on a cold winter morning. My mother, who is a simple woman, could not read the time, but she knew it was early in the morning. The date 6th January 1959 was thankfully recorded because a cousin of mine was born on the same day, around the same time and with the same name. I grew up among 6 other brothers and sisters. All are older than me, except one sister who was a year younger. My mother always regales me with the tales of my naughty behavior. She claims she never managed to control me, but I do admit that right from the very beginnings, I found it hard to sit still. I was very curious, and it was my ambition to travel around the world and drive a Mercedes Benz. God has been kind to me, and both my wishes have been fulfilled. But at the time, 25 years ago, these dreams seemed like castles in the air. I spent my childhood like all the other children around me, tried to buy school and save up enough money to go to a new movie or have a plate of chicken, women chow mein with my friends. If we were very broke or bored, we would amuse ourselves by breaking the fruit of our neighbor's tree. I remembered one particular lady who lived down the road from us who had a beautiful garden which she took great pride in it. She had papaya and pomegranate trees. I now sympathize with her, but in those days, most of our time was spent planning how to get into her garden and pick the fruit of the trees. In fact, one day we had climbed over the wall and were perched on the tree when the lady walked out with some guests. She was entertaining them for a tea right under the papaya tree. There were two of us on the tree and two others on the road on the other side of the wall. The two fortunate ones who had been outside ran away, but my friends, I had to sit still for nearly 2 hours till the tea party ended. That was the day I discovered the rash that papaya sap can cause. I had a hard time explaining to my mother, but I got even the next day when our neighbors went to Delhi for a couple of days. She had 92 pomegranates on the tree in her garden. She counted them every day because she knew we were up to mischief. As soon as her back was turned, we took down in 92 ate whatever we could and disturbed the rest. I remember the wall opening I got from my mother when she was told about it on the neighbor's return. Now that very lady with great pride and affection tells anyone who cares to listen how I had taken 92 pomegranates from her garden and left the seeds behind. This is the story. Dear students, as I told you that cricket playing here, Kapil Dev, he wants to explain, he wants to describe about his childhood days. How he became a very great cricket player. How his mother helpful to him became a great cricket player. What are the activities he made at the time of his childhood days? How his friends and how is Kapil Dev with his friends, he made so many activities at the time of his childhood days. These are all the things we are going to know in this lesson. So, in the first paragraph, you know that look back at my life. Look back at my life. I have come to the conclusion that our beginnings never know our ends. Here, the Kapil Dev himself, he want to know about his childhood days. So, his childhood days, looking back at my life. So, when we are looking back at our life, that is our childhood days. We are going to remember that our childhood days, how you are going to behave in that our childhood days. Here, Kapil Dev, he want to explain that his childhood days, how he spent his childhood days. Looking back at my life, I have come to the conclusion that our beginnings never know our ends. Yes, our beginnings never know ends. Dear students, in our life also, the beginning is very important. The beginning life is very important. The what you are called that the starting is best. the first attempt is best attempt in your life. Whatever the attempt you are going to start in your life, that is the best attempt. That like that, the Kapil Dev also says like this. The first he want to look back his life. Look back at my life. I have come to the conclusion that our beginnings never know our ends. Yes, our beginnings never know ends. When you are going to beginning your work, start task, that there is no end in our life. For me, it all started in Chandigarh, a small town nestling in the foothills of the Himalayas. So Kapil Dev, he wants to say about his village. It is in Chandigarh. Chandigarh, it is in Punjab state. Do you know that Punjab state? There only the Kapil Dev's the childhood days begins. In the footpath that the Chandigarh is, that is in a small town nestling in the foothills of the Himalayas. That is foothills. It means below the Himalayas mountains there is a village in the Chandigarh district. He was started to begin in living in his childhood days. Nestling of the foothills of Himalayas, I was born on a cold winter morning. The Kapil Dev, he says like this. He says about his born, that is when he was born, that is called, I was born on a cold winter morning. So in the winter morning, that is full of cold days. So you know that Himalaya mountains, it is full of cold. It is full of ice. At the time of cold ice, that is the, I was born on a cold winter morning. He says like that, he was born on the cold winter morning. It is very cold days. In the morning, he was born. My mother, who is a simple woman, he also explained about his mother. His mother was also a simple woman. So Kapil's woman also, that mother also, she was a simple woman. That I could not read the time, but she knew it was early in the morning, the date 6th January 1959. So the birth date of the Kapil Dev is in the winter cold morning, 6th. That is, date is 6th January 1959. 1959, 6th January, the Kapil Dev was born on a cold winter morning. Cold winter morning. The date 6th January 1959 was thankfully recorded because a cousin of mine was born on the same day. When Kapil was born, in that same day, his cousin brother also born on the winter cold morning. Cousin of mine was born on the same day, around the same time, and with the same name. I grew up among 6 other brothers. So he was the elder of other 6 brothers and sisters. All are older than me, except one sister who was a year younger. So he is having a one sister, Kapil Dev. She was a 1 year younger. It means she was a elder sister of his family. My mother always regales me with the tales of my naughty behavior. So he was also, Kapil, when he was a child, he was became a very naughty. Naughty means he was making so many things. It means disturbing things. So naughty way. My mother always loads me with a travel of my naughty behavior. Naughty behavior. Sometimes in our house also, the children making naughty behavior. So when you are in the childhood days, then you are also making a naughty behavior in our house or others. So like that, Kapil Dev also making a naughty behavior when he was a childhood days. So claims she never managed to control me, but I do admit the right form of the very beginning. I found it hard to sit still. I was very curious and and it was my ambition to travel around the world and drive a Mercedes Benz. So Kapil Dev, in his childhood days, he is having a great ambition, desire. It means, what was the desire of the Kapil Dev means? He is travel all the world, throughout the world with the Mercedes car, Benz Mercedes car, Mercedes. It is a Mercedes Benz. Mercedes Benz. It is the name of a car. Through this car, he want to make a travel throughout the world. His great ambition is like that. He is travel or make a tour with that car, that is Mercedes Benz car. God has been kind to me and both my wishes have been fulfilled. So finally he fulfilled his wishes or desires or ambitions through this Mercedes Benz car. He want to travel all over the world, throughout the world. So that has been kind to me and both my wishes have been fulfilled. But at the time, 25 years ago, these dreams seemed like a castle in the air. So after 25 years ago, he fulfilled his all needs. So he fulfilled all his needs. Like in the beginnings, Kapil Dev, we want to say all his experience in the childhood days. Come to the second paragraph, that is third paragraph. That is, I spent my childhood like all the other children around me. So then, Kapil Dev, he want to describe about how all his childhood days became. That is, in his childhood days, so all his friends around him. So when he was a child and when he spent his childhood days, then his friends are around him. Your childhood days also, so many friends are around you. So like this, the Kapil Dev also spent his childhood days like all the other children around me, trying to bunk school and save up enough money to go to the new movie or have a plate of chicken chow mein with my friends. So in the childhood days, Kapil Dev with his friends, all his friends, they bunk the school. Bunk the school means they absent the school. With his friends, he absent, he bunked the school, he left from the school. Then he collect some money from his mother and he want to eat some plate of chickens. And also he want to eat some chobani with his friends. And also he money to go to a new movie. So he is with his friends, Kapil Dev, he bunked his school and also he went to movie with his friends and also he ate some chickens and also chobani and also like this his childhood days, his friends, with his friends, the Kapil Dev, he want to do something or he want to say something about his childhood days. So if we were very broke of board, we would amuse ourselves by breaking the fruit of our neighbor's tree. So and also with his friends, he also theft fruits with his neighbor's tree. Neighbors means beside the neighbors of his house. So neighbor's house, he want to theft some fruits from the garden or besides his trees, fruit trees. I remember one particular lady who lived down the road. One particular lady, she was living beside the trees, lived down the road from us, who had a beautiful garden. So Kapil Dev's neighbors, there was a one lady, she was having a beautiful garden with his house, which she took great pride in. She was very interested. she was very interested. She was says to very proud of his garden, fruit garden. In it she had papaya and pomegranate trees. So the neighbors, a woman, she was having a beautiful garden. In that garden, she was having a papaya trees and also pomegranate trees also there. I now sympathize with her, but in those days, most of our times was spent planning how to get into her garden and pick the fruit of the trees. In fact, one day we had climbed over the wall and were perched on the tree when the lady walked out with some guests. So one day Kapil Dev and his friends, they went into the garden and they want to pick up the papayas. So but the owner of the garden of that plant, she was came with his guests. She was entertaining them for tea right under the papaya tree. Under the papaya tree, the woman, she was engaged with her guests to take a tea. Tea right under the papaya tree. There were two of us on the tree and two others on the road. There were two of us on the tree. Two friends were on the papaya tree. Two friends were on the road. And the two others on the road on the other side of the wall. There was a wall, other side of the road. There was two friends were waiting for there, and also two friends were climbing on the climbing and also sit in the papaya tree. Have you know the papaya tree? That is papaya. Papaya tree. You know that papaya is very important fruit to eat that. To eat that papaya tree, the Kapil and his friends, they were climbing a papaya tree. There were two of us on the tree and two others on the road on the other side of the wall. The two fortunate ones who had been outside ran away, but my friend and I had to sit still for nearly 2 hours till the tea party ended. Till the tea party was ended, at that time the Kapil Dev and his friends, they were sitting under the papaya tree. That was the day I discovered the rash that papaya sap can cause. I had heard some time planning into my mother, but I got even the next day when our neighbors went to Delhi for a couple of days. Sometime the other day, these neighbors, they went to Delhi for 2 days. His neighbors, they went for the 2 days, went to Delhi for a couple of days. Couple means 2 days. She had 92 pomegranates. So neighbor, she was having a 92 pomegranates on the tree in her garden. In her garden, the neighbor is having 92 pomegranates. Have you know the name of pomegranates? That is the important fruit also we are going to eat. Pomegranate in the garden, 92. How many pomegranates in the garden? 92 pomegranates in her garden. On the tree, in her garden, she counted them every day. His neighbor, a woman, she was counting the 92 pomegranates every day. Every day. So she was, because she knew we were up to mischief, as soon as her back was turned, we took down all 92, ate whatever we could and disturbed the rest. So at the time when that woman, she went to Delhi for the sake of 2 days, so then 92 pomegranates also theft by the Kapil Dev and his friends. I remember the walloping I got from my mother when she was told about it on the neighbor's return. When that his neighbor's return, she know that she complained to her mother when she was told about it on the neighbor's return. Now that very lady with great pride and affection tells anyone who cares to listen how I had taken 92 pomegranates from our garden and left the seeds behind. So dear students, here the Kapil Dev, he wants to explain or describe how he very naughty at the time of his childhood days. And also, what are the things he want to do at the time of his childhood days. So this is the thing, how the Kapil Dev, he beginnings his daily, that his childhood days. Dear students, I think we are know very well about the beginnings of the Kapil Dev life. So that purpose, we know that the beginning is very important. The Kapil Dev's beginnings is started his childhood days doing very naughty things. So he with his friends, he want to go to the garden, neighbor's garden to theft some fruits, and also he want to do something very naughty things in his childhood days. Dear students, here so many new words are introducing in this lesson, my beginnings. These are all the so many new words, that is nest. To be surrounded by something, especially hills or a countryside. But also naughty. Naughty means that is behaving badly. You are also behaving badly in our childhood days. That is called naughty thing. Amuse. Amuse means to make someone laugh or smile. Amuse means to make someone laugh or smile. Fright. A sudden feelings of fear. Sudden feelings of fear. These are all the new words are introducing in this lesson by beginning. I think it is better to use these new words to construct a sentence in your code. So here there are so many homework questions are here. That is, what did Kapil's mother always regale him with? So as I told you, his mother also helped to his beginnings in his naughty things. And second one is, in what way was Kapil like as the other children around him? And third one is, how did Kapil and his friends spend most of their time in their childhood days? So these are all the things. These are all the important questions we are going to answer in your homework book. So dear students, I think you are very well to understand this lesson. It means Kapil's childhood days. This is my beginnings. The Kapil he says in this lesson, my beginnings, how he start his childhood days. How he became a naughty in his childhood days. How he behaved in the childhood days. How his mother, she was taught him to stop the naughty things. But also, these are all the things we are going to know in the beginnings. It means my beginnings. This is a story about Kapil Dev's childhood days. Have you understood this lesson? Yes, you are going to know that my beginnings is it is the story of Kapil Dev's childhood days. So, how we are going to feel about him in his childhood days? So, we are going to stop here. We are continuing the next class.